In this video, I'm going to give you a very quick introduction into Lamby. Lamby is a rack adapter that converts AWS Lambda integrations events into native rack environment objects, which are sent directly to your application. A rack application is a Ruby object, not a class, that responds to call. It takes exactly one argument, the environment, and returns a non-frozen array of exactly three values. And those three values are status, headers, and the body. Now, for this Lamby thing, Lamby can automatically do what I just described when using either Lambda Function URLs, API Gateway HTTP version 1 or version 2 payloads, or even with API Gateway REST API. You can also use application load balancer integrations with Lamby. Since Rails applications are rack applications, Lamby removes the need for a companion rack web server like Passenger or Puma to be running within your container. Essentially, AWS integrations become your web server, and scaling is managed by Lambda service, spinning up new container instances, one for each request, or down to zero if needed. Lambda instances live for several minutes or more. A small pool of concurrent functions can handle a large amount of traffic. Installation of Lamby is very straightforward. All you need to do is to run gem Lamby. This is the GitHub repo of Lamby, and I will also put the link to it in video's description. There is also a very good quick start guide, as you can see on your screen, which you can follow up, and then you can also go through the full documentation. Hats off to the creators and the contributors, as it is really very useful open source product. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or question, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.